What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Bitcoin and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap that sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, it does look as though Bitcoin has been trading downwards inside of this channel for some time here. As you can quite clearly see as well, we did get this fake out to the upside with a very nice A, B, C, D reversal, and it did look as though we were breaking out and retesting here, but obviously all the FUD in the market did actually lead us to breaking down again rather than heading up and retesting this 42.5k area, which we have been outlining as basically what we need to be hitting in order to be basically heading upwards again in the bull market and the bull market continuing. But obviously what we've seen in the past few days has said otherwise. We have actually been breaking down. We saw Bitcoin head all the way down to around 28,800 here, but as we've been saying, Bitcoin has been horribly oversold pretty much on every single time frame. If we take a look at the daily time frame here, we can see that Bitcoin's basically painting one of the biggest bullish divergences I think I've ever borne witness to. If we just draw on the candles here, you can see we've basically been heading down like this, but the price action and the momentum to the downside has been decreasing here. And this is a really strong indicator of a reversal in our opinion. This is a bullish divergence, so this means that the actual price action is still going down, but the relative strength of the price action on the RSI is actually making higher lows, which means the momentum to the downside is decreasing. And what this means is we do think that Bitcoin is going to have a big reversal very soon. Obviously, as you can see, we have been heading down in this channel. There's been a lot of FUD, a lot of negative news recently, but on the daily time frame, getting something like this, where you're getting this big potential reversal, this is literally one of the most textbook bullish divergences I've ever seen. I think you can quite clearly see that the momentum to the downside is decreasing here, and we are expecting that there is going to be a very nice reversal quite soon for Bitcoin in our opinion. And if you believe in the Wyckoff distribution stuff, you can quite clearly see on this chart that you are potentially forming what you can see is here, this distribution period, the big collapse, then we're consolidating, we're basically getting this we've got this fake out to the upside, which is also on the chart. And then we got also the fake out to the downside where we've made a lower low here, basically, on a wick at least. And then this is potentially the spring, which we'll see us start to move upwards again. It's basically kicked the final bears out of the market. Because the bears, let's be honest, have been so greedy recently. So greedy in general, trying to push the price down, desperately trying to get the Bitcoin to go down further. But from what we can tell, very strong support here. As we said, at this 31k level, basically what we said was this 31k level was pretty much rock solid support. Every single time that we've come down and touched it, we have reversed. And even though obviously we came down and wicked down into it quite hard here, on the daily time frame, we've actually come back up very nicely back into this area. So quite clear that there's a lot of support at 31k. And now that we've actually got this lower low potentially, we could be looking at a very nice fully retested area here that we can now use as a platform to basically make some upwards price action. So just going back to the hourly time frame, you can see that we've actually painted this potential inverse head and shoulders like we have for pretty much every single crypto. This was obviously our neckline here, and we actually did see Bitcoin break up above it. Let's just stretch this out so you can see it a bit better. So as you can see, we've actually let me just make this a bit better so you can see it nicer. So this was our neckline for Bitcoin on our head and shoulders. Obviously the bears got really greedy here. They're basically trying to push the price down again and make it roll over, but that didn't happen, and we actually got a nice pushback and basically a perfect breakout of this head and shoulders pattern here. And then basically for the past 6 or 7 hours or so, we have just been chopping and changing around this 34k level. So it does look as though we've got a very nice reversal on the cards here. We do honestly think that Bitcoin was horribly oversold recently. As you can see, we actually went into this full oversold area here. And every single time that we have got into this oversold area, you can see that we've got pretty decent bounces across the board. And as you can see here, the last time that we got this inverse head and shoulders, we did actually paint this very nice ABCD reversal to the upside. We broke out of this channel as well. So I'm thinking what's probably going to happen here is Bitcoin's probably going to back test this area here around 32k or so, and then hopefully come up, and it'll be forced to just test this channel from what we can tell, which is something that we need to break again, because obviously as you can see here, we've been stuck under this channel for a long time, apart from this fake out and then the return to the channel here. So we do really want to see Bitcoin heading up, retesting this channel and then moving up. We do really need to see it hitting this 42k level. As we've been saying from weeks now, if we can hit that 42k level, we do think things are going to be looking really, really good for Bitcoin. Probably going to start seeing a lot of money flow from those stable coins that have been on the sidelines back into cryptos in general. So as you can see, something else interesting here, we did flip bearish a few weeks ago on our EMAs on the hourly time frame here. And ever since then, we have been hitting ahead, basically getting stuck under the 20 here, getting these fake outs. But we did retested the channel here, obviously got rejected, and then we have been forced down and down and down, but retested the bottom of the channel here pretty perfectly, we might add. Very, very interesting to see the confluence there of that level and the bottom of the channel. And we have actually flipped bullish here on our hourly time frame for the first time in a long, long time here. And as you can see, the last time that we did flip bullish on our EMAs here was actually this time where we got this previous inverse head and shoulders. So could this potentially be something similar to this, where we basically got another inverse head and shoulders where we're going to see some good price action to the upside? I do think that it's quite likely that this could be the case, especially now that we flipped bullish on our EMAs. If we can hold this 20 as support, as you can see, it's probably going to force us to retest this channel. And if we break this channel, I think we're going to have some very, very nice upside. Probably retest, break through and retest it as support, and then head to the upside, hopefully into these high 30,000s in the next week or so. So short term, we are pretty bullish on Bitcoin. We do think it's going to do very well. As you can see, the price is slowly rising up here, and we do think if we can break this channel and retest it as support, we're going to look golden for continuation. And as we always say, long term, we do think in the next year or so, Bitcoin's going to be at least 100k in our opinion. And I mean, even longer than that, 5 to 10 years down the road, there's no reason in our opinion why Bitcoin couldn't be hitting, I mean, 200, 300, 500, maybe even $1 million per token in the very long term, considering all the institutional investment, the amount of interest in Bitcoin, the scarcity, and the general move over, in our opinion, to cryptocurrency in the long term. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.